pizza spatula wood. I don't need these big ones, these I have. I need a spatula for a pizza slice. There's not much of those, at least made out of wood. There is something like this. That looks nice. I think I just have to create my own design. I'm going to use this nice piece of wood to make these. I think I will make two at the same time. This piece is a little bit too thick, so I will run it through my thickness planer and make it a little bit more thin. I wanted to have this part thin, of course, but I wanted to have this part thick, because to this part I will attach the handle. Now I can draw this shape. Here I will draw it to this side, then I can cut it. Okay, it doesn't look much at the moment. It was a little bit more harder than I thought. This, first of all, this wood is crazy hard. This sanding machine doesn't do much even. I tried it with 80 paper and this thing is so hard material. I'm not going to lose my hope yet. This part was a little bit tricky to do. I just couldn't use a normal sandpaper because this wood is so crazy hard. So I used a Dremel with some kind of round sanding bit. I think that looks pretty good. Of course the final sanding and finish still. Next I have to think about this handle, that how I will make it. Of course, I could use some screws here. It would be maybe easier to make this joint stronger. But I was thinking that wooden plugs would look a little bit nicer. And this joint is very strong with wooden plugs and wood glue. And after days and days of sanding, I finally finished this spatula with cutting board wood wax. It's quite basic finish, it doesn't change the color much, it gives some kind of protection, and it's also food safe. It's maybe the ugliest pizza that I found from the shop. That's not even 12 inch, I think that's about 8 or something. And this one is with ananas. I think that's pretty much perfect. It's actually pretty good.